A review of the Coast HL7 head torch. I really like this item. It's got a really ace design where it's a nice little aluminium dial which you can turn, which turns the beam into a very dim light to a very bright light. And also on the front of the torch you've got a twisty dial which will focus the spot or make it a nice wide beam. Now it's not this big protruding on your head. When you're wearing the item, it I've got one open here, tends to sit like that with a battery pack at the back with the dial, so it's quite easy to reach around the back of your head just to twiddle that to make it a bright spot or not, and I'll show that now. So when it's on, that's it, on its brightest setting, you get this lovely round sharp-edged beam with Coast torches, which is really cool. And then you can dim that light right down and like that, and it's still on all the time. And then also when it's super bright you can adjust that, so I can get it, you get a nice bright spot in the middle, which again is still dimmable from the back. You can dim that again right down if you're wanting to look at something intricate, or say reading at night. That's a really good setting, so you're not disturbing everyone in your tent. Super torch, really good quality. On off switch at the front, and there's also a ability to tilt the beam so down, and again just a nice little funky feature there. I know it's not part of the features, but just good quality. It's a nice piece of metal in there with metal screws screwing it all down. Really well made. It's a water resistant finish. It's not a super high one like some of the torches they do, but it's still a water repellent feature. It's kind of like a rubber seal on the battery. I would thoroughly recommend this as a great torch. You can come down to Market stores and buy one today.